welcome back to the channel. It's day 3 of our adventure, and today we're gearing up for our 4th safari. Early in the morning, from the mysterious Bellara Buffer Zone gate, just 20 minutes from our resort. Safari time, 6:30 a.m. sharp. The excitement, off the charts. We reached the gate right on time, hearts pounding, hoping today would bring the sighting we were desperately waiting for. ID cards presented at the gate, mobiles deposited in the driver's box. And with that, our journey into the wild began. We couldn't help but recall our incredible luck at this very gate just the previous afternoon. Two stunning close-up encounters with the legendary Tigress Vera and earlier the powerful male Zolo at Madnapur. So the big question haunting us this morning was, will the jungle bless us again? Or will today test our patience? The forest welcomed us with its signature magic serenity so deep it feels unreal, wrapped in untouched wilderness. As the jeep rolled deeper inside, we crossed paths with vibrant birds, graceful herds of deer, stately sambar, the elegant nilgai. Every turn reminded us why these 4-hour forest drives feel like stepping into another world, one that keeps pulling you back over and over again. Around 8:30 a.m., right in the heart of the jungle, we stopped for a soulful breakfast prepared by our resort. Eating in the middle of this vast forest, surrounded by raw nature, is an experience that words barely capture. Even our resort owner joined us on this safari, making the moment even more special. After breakfast, the tiger trail continued. Fresh signs, tracks, calls. The tiger was definitely around.
Tiger can hide here. Near the lake. And sleep for all.
But luck wasn't on our side today, and eventually we turned back toward the resort for lunch. Just when we thought the excitement had ended, surprise, right outside our canteen, a serpent appeared. We weren't sure if it was venomous, but we made sure the resort staff let it slither away safely without harming it. After all, this is their home. We're only the visitors. Our afternoon safari was scheduled at Navegan Core Zone, about an hour's drive from the resort. And let me tell you, this safari turned out to be far more eventful than we ever expected. What happened next? You'll hear all about it in my next video.
शेयर फील नहीं हुए तो हमारे पास ही आ सकता है क्रॉस कर
If you enjoyed this episode, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash the like button. That support means the world to me. I'll see you in the next episode with even more thrilling tiger and other rare sightings. Until then, take care and keep the wild alive. Goodbye for now.